Hey, it's Ben at DCD Cabinets here to show you a couple tidbits about our cabinets. First, we're going to talk about how to adjust a hinge on a door and how to take a door off of a cabinet. Let me show you. On our cabinet, we use a Blum hinge that is real easy to take on and off. On the back, there's a small switch that compresses and releases it from its locking position. Very easy to undo, like you saw, with no tools required. Then to put the door back on, you'll notice that there's a small bar here that matches up to a saddle on the hinge plate. Once you get that bar lined into the saddle, it clips right back on very easily. This hinge also has 6-way adjuster, so you can use these screws to adjust the door left and right, in and out, and then up and down for this one as well. Very nice soft close hinges. Both cabinets for our frameless and face frame have the exact same hinge on it. As you'll see for the face frame partial overlay, same hinge, same adjustments, but a different mounting plate. So it makes it nice and easy for the homeowner and for the contractor.